Hi, welcome to Anomaly Detection. There is two terminologies here, anomaly and outlier. The anomaly is a pattern in the data that does not provide expected behavior and which is also called outliers or exception or peculiarities and surprise, etc. Anomalies are the set of data points that are considerably different than remaining data available in the data set. The pattern of the outliers and normal data points will be different. Here, outliers are data points that are considered out of the ordinary or abnormal. So, it includes the noise. That means the abnormality is occurring due to the noise included in the given data points. Anomalies are a special kind of outlier that has significant or critical or actionable information which could be of interest to the data analysts. Anomalous events are occurring infrequently, that means rarely, which is occurring in the events. The anomalies are translating to significant real life entities, for example, cyber intrusions, credit card fraud, etc. And the difference between anomaly and outliers are given here. Anomaly is different from normal activities. That means it will have slight deviation or exception. In software industry, anomaly is a rare occurrence or event that does not fit into the regular pattern. That means it seems suspicious activity, suspicious event. For example, sudden burst or decrease in a particular activity and error in the particular text or sudden rapid decrease or increase in the temperature of the CPU or any computer systems. Here, the reasons for outliers will be data pre-processing errors or noise in the data or any mishandling or frauds available. I mean, modifying the data, modifying the programs by opponents, and also there is the possibility of attacks. So these are the possibilities uh, uh, for making the outliers, or I mean occurring the outliers in software industry. Every outlier is a threat to software's robustness and security. And catching and identifying these anomalies is called anomaly detection or outlier detection. For example, many credit card transaction within short interval is called abnormal behavior, or it is called unusual pattern. That means if any person is having the credit card, the credit card limit is, for example, 4 lakhs, then he will use only 50,000 or 1 lakh for in the single transaction or two transactions. But uh, for each transaction there is the limit, for example 50,000. So if it is the for single transaction having the limit 50,000, then if any unauthorized person is I mean hacking your uh, credit card, or he has hacked your pin number, then he will try to get all entire 4 lakhs of 4 lakhs amount within the short interval time, within the 5 minutes or 10 minutes. So this type of transactions are called unusual pattern or abnormal behavior. And identity of thieves, which are who are try to steal as much as money in the short interval, that is the given within the short interval 5 minutes of time. So this kind of things are called outliers or anomaly behavior. For example, in given a data set which is having the clusters, I mean a different group of data, here different clusters, you may assume these are all clusters. So here n1 and n2 are the region of normal behavior, because this data are having dense clusters, that means dense data samples. But here this one is having only single data point, which is having 5 data points. This is having single data point. So these are all called anomalies data points. So in image processing, for example, any cancer detection, I mean X-ray, MRI scan images, CT scan images, the pixels, right? The diseased pixels will have different appearance, but the diseased portion will be very limited than a good portion. Suppose good portion cells are like this, so it will be available more cells. So here the diseased portion will be very less, so it will have different pixel values. So here these cells are these diseased cells are called anomalies or outliers. So the normal cells are called the normal data points. This shape of the cells are called normal data points. So in medical image processing and every image processing, we can apply this anomaly detection or outlier detection for identifying the abnormal portion. Here the outlier detection or anomaly detection can be applied to credit card fraud detection, telecommunication fraud detection, and network intrusion. That means attacks, right? Attacks detection and fault detection in the networks and also computers or any programs. We can identify the suspicious activities by using the anomalies detection approaches. Thanks for watching.